Hey guys, so today I'm going to be eating. Sorry for my brother talking first of all to my mom. He just got back from Europe. So I have my Takis and our hat. Is that the So big bag, I just opened this. And then I have my water. Because it's going to be hot. So let's just eat this. Okay, ready? There's my Taki. This is not fake. They're actually real Takis. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
But I told them that they didn't think I was a brat, but they know the rest of them are pretty much brat. Because they really are.
Yeah, I know. Americans are just assholes.
It's not too bad right now. Okay, now it's getting hot.
Did you go back to Tiffany's house?
Yeah. So I thought it was going to be, in pictures, it's really hard to tell how they.
Okay, now they're really good. So that was my Takis. I think I'm making more.
Yeah, so there was some big.
I'm just gonna say bye now because all the dogs are running. Bye.